So guys, welcome back to the channel. Touching down from the heart, from the buzzing Hoi Kaew Road in Chiang Mai City, northern Thailand. And it's as busy as I've ever seen it in the city lately. And this is smack bang. There's tourists everywhere. And today we're gonna go and say goodbye to another old place in Chiang Mai. And before I start this vlog, I want to say a massive shout out to Eric Johansson, who messaged me and said, Wayne, reminded me. And yeah, he reminded me about it. So let's get moving here. So this here is the famous Hoi Kaew residence. This is probably, well, back in the day, this was one of the most famous cheap places to stay, man. This was, all the digital nomads stayed here, all the broke digital nomads. I went to look in there once. It's a massive place. I didn't like it. It was cheap about 4 or 5 years ago. Never interested me. It's right in Hoi Kaew Road and it's not an area that I like, really. Mate's beeping at me. I'm in the middle of the road here. So Kad Suan Kaew, the famous shopping centre, is right here. The hotel that is connected to the old Kad Suan Kaew has closed down. And yeah, that just puts a final nail in this massive area. Mall and hotel's coffin. It's finished. The hotel was open for a while after Kad Suan Kaew closed. Because what's this been closed now? I've done the final day, didn't I? We done the final day vlogging here, man. And look at it now, look. It's been left. We got some security down there though. So this is the old mall. So Lotus Suan Kaew is the full name, I think. I just call it Lotus. It's the big hotel connected to the mall here that closed down. So you got to walk around. This is the old way you can come around. You can still come in here. You can still come. Like, you got all the grab drivers here, look, chilling. You can still use this road to go through to Niman. And why Kad Suan Kaew was so good, look, Hoi Kaew residence is right here. All you had to do was walk to here, and it was one of the best old malls. I remember we was really upset when it closed, right? They had cheap food. Yeah, and if you walk through this way, we're gonna go to the hotel. So look, when Kad Suan Kaew closed, you could come down here and still go to the massive hotel it was. But you can see just how a massive place it is. Got a security guy here, look. Let's get out of the crossroad here. Yeah, it looks run down that way, doesn't it? See, I used to go through there, used to park in there, look, used to go under here. All closed down. And this here was the hotel. Massive place. Swadee Kap. Sabadi Mai. Hi, it's closed now. Closed down now. So I've read that it closed about the 5th of January. So a few weeks ago, all the curtains are closed. Look, it was a massive place, popular place as well. It was popular. I've been in here a few times. This is another hotel that reminded me of The Shining inside. It was old, but yeah, this is recently closed. I don't know why, but I've got a little write up. That's the way I come in. You get back to Niman that way. Look, no entry, all closed off. Lotus Hotel. Yes, if you go back up there, you go to Niman, so it's still a cool shortcut. So it's cool that they still got it open. So the Lotus Hotel behind Kad Suan Kaew shopping mall is closed. Today I went to the hotel and bumped into one of the partners, and here's what I learned. This is what somebody said on the Facebook. The closing of the hotel has been in the works for about a year. It officially closed a few days after the 1st of January 2025. If I heard correctly, roughly 250 employees were employed at the time of closing. So that's sad, right? The big Olympic-sized outdoor pool on the 7th floor is also closed and now has been drained. The gentleman I spoke to said that both parties, hotel and Kad Suan Kaew, would be sold together because they share the same electrical and mechanical system. So the mall and this hotel are connected together. It's all one big place when they built it years and years ago, and they're trying to sell it as one big place because the electrical stuff is all together and it's all just joined in one. One guy said it could be a casino, but obviously the buyer would have to have deep pockets for the renovation, and there's still a grey area with the casinos in Chiang Mai. I can't see that, can you? I don't really see a casino for it just yet. I think we sort of know what it's probably gonna be, right? That's prime time condo area, right? That's what I think. This would, you know, a casino. I don't think any casinos are happening yet in Thailand today. I might be mistaken, but I got a feeling this is going to be left for a long time. I might be wrong, or it's prime time Hoi Kao Road for condos, right? So yeah, that is it, guys. The Lotus Hotel is now a goner. They had amazing lifts in there. They had open lifts and it went up so high you could look out the lift. I'm not sure if I got any footage in there. I don't think I did. I'll be sad if they knock it down, but it's one hell of a place to knock down. So I wanted to go around to Kad Suan Kaew. There's still people in there, look. People in there, man. I've seen people everywhere. Windows are open up here. There's still offices up there that people are using, because now in Thailand, like, they're probably renting parts out of it because it is a massive place. And yeah, I was really sad when this mall went. I think we all was, right? And I sort of thought that it wasn't going to happen, and hopefully I was hoping that it wasn't going to happen, but it did. And yeah, that was a sad day. I'm so chuffed I've got that final day where we went in. See this corner here, that is the mall where there was some shops and stuff, and then look, it joins right onto the, I'm sure you could walk into the hotel from the mall. I never done that way, but I'm sure you could. So you still got the cameras. Look at this old box, look. Someone would have been sat in there years ago. 10 baht, does that say? Yeah, 10 baht, look. Yeah, 10 baht parking. So if you take this road here, look, you back out up near Niman. So yeah, a lot of people do use this road, and I'll be coming back out here. So we'll just have a little walk down here. This business here is right next to it, and it looks like it's closed down. Some of them closed here, look. Hostel. So you had a hostel right here, look. Family hostel. Looks like people were staying there as well, man. So yeah, all this lit for sale. Not gonna walk too far down here. So yeah, down this way, Suthep. We're sort of like in the middle of Suthep and Niman and Hoi Kao Road that way. And look at the smog, look. That's the mountain back there. I know Bangkok's really bad as well, but Chiang Mai, it's quite bad today, man. You can hardly see the mountain too well. So yeah, it's not great, man. It's not great. Hey, nice spot that. But yeah, these are the little roads that used to go into the hotel, look. I mean, still a lovely area to stay. So I've not even seen this place, Happy Allergy Bakery. Let's have a quick little look, shall us? Hey, this place looks nice. Never been in here before. Nah, never. Looks nice, doesn't it? Beautiful. What's the prices here then? 90 baht, 100 baht. Come on now. Let's keep moving. Hey, there's a shot of the old girl walking towards her, look. Let me know, any of you stayed there? I know a lot of you have. A lot of people stayed here. Prime time, what's it gonna be? Let me know what you think it's gonna be. I mean Kad Suan Kaew, they ain't done nothing for years. Alright, I'm gonna say that it's not gonna be anything for a long time. Then I'm gonna say it's gonna be condos. That's what I'm gonna say. Look at this hostel busy, it's all busy around town. All these guys are getting dropped off, look, in the hostel. Look at that girl, that's like a 100-litre backpack. Young girls, 100-litre. I used to travel like that. That bag was bigger than her, mate. You don't need all that crap. But coming in here at night, do you get what I'm saying? It is a creepy place because it's all been left lit. Everything's overgrown here. Look at all this. I reckon in the night time, yeah, a bit of fly tipping, look. Right, let's get moving. Gonna walk back. We'll finish where we started on Oi Kaew Road as another bird comes in with another load of people. But sadly, they won't be staying at the Lotus. See you later, buddy. Thanks for the memories. You know what I love about Thailand as well? The security in England, if you walked in here, they would be on your case. Here, he was loving it. I just walked in here with my camera. But I suppose, yeah, it is an open road. Some of this graffiti, cool, innit? I'd say this has been here for some years as well, right? Been here for a long time. There's some old graffiti in it. Oh, 2020, not too old, look. 26th for the 12th, 20, Chiang Mai. A little bit emotional again. Jeez, get out the road, man. A little bit emotional. There's not much space in Oi Kaew, and this area around the hotel and the old mall, they've got all this wasteland. So it's going to be prime time, innit? It's just whoever's going to put the money out. But I'm going to stick my neck out and say in 10 years time, I'm going to be walking around a flashy new condo building here. Maybe not, maybe I'm wrong, but I think it will be. See you later, buddy. Take it easy. So happy that I shopped there and done some vlogs there. I went in here a couple times, but I can't remember what happened. I know it was to see friends that stayed here. Should I just go and see how much a room is now? Just for reference, I want to know myself. Have things gone up? Is it really full now? Let's have a look. Hey, still looks nice here actually. Oh, I've not been here for time. Swaddy Cap. Have rooms here available? What's the cheapest one now? 5,500. 1 month. Okay, 6 months, 3,500. 4,500. Studio, 5,000. Okay, Kad Suan Kaew. Thank you, sir. Internet 300 a month. Key card 200. Electric 7 baht. Water 150 baht per 7 units. Thank you, Kad Suan Kaew. Hey man, that's still cheap. 5,500 for the studio, 1 month. For long term, it's 3,500. That's cheaper than what I remember it. I think 12 months was 3,500, 4 to 4,500. Loads of stuff got added over the years as well. Like this coffee shop here, look. I can't It might have been there a long time, I can't remember, but you got your washing and everything now as well. Look, let's have a look how much the washing is now. Don't say, do it. Ah, 40 baht, yeah, 40 baht for every wash. High, medium, low, 40 baht, delicate. Yeah, so that's not bad, is it? That's not bad at all. So yeah, we're gonna call that a day, man. We're gonna give that a wrap up. That was the old Lotus Hotel, closed down, gone. Don't know what it's gonna be. We shall wait and see. It's cool just being around this tour. I feel like a yes, I am still a tourist technically, but this is totally not what I'm used to around all these whiteys. I'm surprised how cheap that place still is. So you got your weed shop right across the road, look. You can get all your stuff. Matey's over there half naked, look. Put your shirt on, buddy. You're not in Mallorca now, man. Yes, we're gonna start right in the place we're gonna finish right in the place where we started. Oi Cow Road, baby. Woo, I'm shattered after that one. Sorry to see the place go. Let me know what you think. Hope you're all safe and sound as always, and I will see you in the next one. So take it easy, man. Take it easy.